Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we did the 5 Series GT. It's a 2012 5 Series GT. We did our latest Android screen, which is 9.0 with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of hard. And as you can see, it's like ID7 look of the iDrive, and I'm using the knob, the iDrive knob, for navigating the menu, and it's fully touch. Also, we can go back to the factory menu of the car without any problem, and by holding the menu button or touching the screen we can go back to the Android mode. The apps are here. You can watch video while you drive, and you can play CarPlay. The USB dongle is right in the glove box. You can do Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or you can download any apps like Google Maps or Waze or any other apps to do online maps. And the factory backup camera works same as before without any problem, including the parking sensors front and back. If you're interested to get any of these units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.